Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. This is the last part in the Chinese pancake series. So, we're almost done the whole pancake, and if you have seen part 2 and part 1, well then you'll know how this happened. From this to this. My dad's still frying some. And if you haven't already, go check it out. Part 2 and part 1 are supposed to be beside part 3. And also, make sure to like, subscribe, and please, please, please follow us at home. Because if you do, thank you if you do. And this one is for me. Oh, this looks cute. Why do I need peanut butter?
It's pancake.
Okay.
There's no maple syrup, so the only thing you have is jam or
peanut butter.
You want both or just one?
Both.
Okay.
I got more thick, slick ones. I got the fat boy. Okay.
Spread it out. Make it.
Precisely.
Okay. Now put on your mouth to show you how to eat. Do you need? Is it good?
Yes. No, put it there, put it on you. I don't like that you like pizza.
Do you use a knife?
No. Like you really to try this at home. Follow along. This is delicious. And it's actually a little better, if you ask me, with jam and peanut butter. Now for this project, you'll need an adult to protect you. And please subscribe, like, and see you on the next video.